Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by detaching the Surface keyboard and inspecting the connector carefully. Look for debris, bent pins, or corrosion that blocks electrical contact. Use compressed air to clear dust and a soft brush for grime. Perform a soft reset on the surface by holding power and volume up together for 15 seconds. Release both buttons and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting the keyboard. Reattach the keyboard and test all keys to see if normal function returns or if further troubleshooting is needed. Check Windows Update for optional firmware and driver packages and install them. Updating drivers and Surface firmware often restores keyboard functionality quickly. For type cover issues, open Device Manager and uninstall the keyboard driver, then restart the Surface. Windows will reinstall drivers automatically during reboot and may resolve recognition errors. If using a Bluetooth keyboard, remove it from Bluetooth settings and repair it after rebooting. Always test the keyboard after each update or pairing attempt to confirm. If software steps fail, inspect and clean the magnetic contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol. Apply alcohol sparingly on a soft lint-free cloth and rub contacts gently until bright and free of residue. Test the keyboard on another surface or connect a different type cover to isolate whether the problem is the keyboard or tablet. For liquid damage, persistent key failure, or visible connector damage, contact Microsoft support or visit an authorized repair center. Backup data before any repair and consider replacing the type cover if hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.